Welcome to our video on wildfire risk management in the era of climate change. As we delve into the historical context of wildfires and the modern challenges that come with them, we will explore the significant impact of wildfire smoke on our health and environment. Additionally, we'll address the societal and political ramifications of these devastating events, particularly in relation to the wildland-urban interface. Through insightful case studies like the fires in Maui and Maui, alongside successful evacuation strategies demonstrated in Rhodes, we'll shed light on how climate change is reshaping wildfire risk and discuss future directions for improving risk management. Join us as we unravel these critical topics that affect all of us in an increasingly volatile climate. 1. The historical context of wildfires. Wildfires have been a part of Earth's natural systems for millions of years. Paleontological data suggests that early forest fires began spreading approximately 383 million years ago. Throughout human history, communities have interacted with these fires, sometimes allowing them to burn depending on their needs and objectives. For instance, in the late 19th century, fire control efforts in the United States were mainly focused around human settlements, leaving fires in remote areas to burn freely. This historical approach illustrates the complex relationship between humans and wildfires, one that has evolved over centuries. 2. Modern challenges in wildfire management. Despite advancements in fire science and firefighting technologies, wildfire-related fatalities are on the rise. Recent incidents, like the February 2024 wildfires in Valparaiso, Chile, which claimed over 130 lives, highlight the deadly potential of these natural disasters. Similarly, the August 2023 Maui fires resulted in the highest death toll from wildfires in the U.S. since 1918. These tragedies underscore the need for effective evacuation orders and emergency alerts, which could potentially save lives. 3. The impact of wildfire smoke. Wildfire smoke poses significant health risks, as it can travel long distances, contaminating both indoor and outdoor air. Studies have shown that fine particles from wildfires are associated with increased cardiovascular and respiratory mortality. For example, the 2018 Camp Fire in California led to PM 2.5 concentrations in San Francisco reaching levels double the U.S. benchmark. This highlights the far-reaching consequences of wildfires, affecting air quality and public health even in areas far from the flames. 4. Societal and political ramifications. The devastation caused by wildfires extends beyond immediate physical damage. Communities affected by these disasters face trauma, loss of livelihoods, and psychological effects. Politically, decision-makers often face backlash for perceived inadequacies in their response, such as failing to issue timely alerts or evacuation orders. This scapegoating can complicate efforts to analyze and learn from these events, hindering future preparedness. 5. Wildfire risk in the wildland-urban interface, WUI. The intersection of climate change and development in the wildland-urban interface, WUI, presents unique challenges for wildfire risk management. The WUI in the United States has expanded significantly, increasing by 50% over the past 50 years, with further growth expected. This expansion heightens the risk of wildfires impacting human settlements, necessitating a comprehensive approach that integrates diverse scientific disciplines into policy making. 6. Case studies. Maui and Maui fires. The fires in Maui, Hawaii, and Maui, Greece, reveal similarities in how dry vegetation, high winds, and poor evacuation planning can lead to catastrophic outcomes. In both cases, confusing messaging and delayed evacuation alerts contributed to high death tolls. The political and legal repercussions following these events demonstrate the importance of effective crisis management and proactive planning to prevent future tragedies. 7. Learning from success. The Rhodes evacuation. The successful evacuation during the 2023 fires on the Greek island of Rhodes offers valuable lessons. Greek authorities effectively evacuated over 20,000 people, utilizing public alert and warning systems to coordinate the effort. This demonstrates the potential for well-prepared crisis management systems to mitigate the impact of wildfires and protect lives, even in challenging circumstances. 8. The role of climate change in wildfire risk. Climate change is a significant driver of increased wildfire risk, as it leads to higher temperatures and drier conditions. Studies project longer fire seasons and a greater frequency of extreme fire events. As fire-prone areas expand, traditional wildfire management strategies focused on suppression may no longer be sustainable. This necessitates a shift towards integrating hazard mitigation and climate adaptation into wildfire risk management. 9. Future directions in wildfire risk management. Moving forward, a new paradigm in wildfire risk management is needed, one that emphasizes hazard mitigation, climate adaptation, and sustainable land management practices. This involves developing integrated risk management plans that account for the effects of climate change and encourage community-based evacuation planning. By leveraging scientific advancements and new technologies, such as machine learning and Earth observation, it is possible to improve decision-making and ultimately save more lives.